Hey guys, it's Kevin, and in today's video I will show you and explain you step by step how I went from $0 to more than $17,000 per month with Amazon KDP in 2023, just publishing 4 low content books and their translations. And this video will be particularly important if you're watching this between July and September, so I advise you to watch it multiple times and especially until the end with your full focus if it's the case. And if not, still watch it because it's going to be very important for the next year. So, these real case studies from 2023, I started this new business for publishing some specific types of book. And in September 2023, mid-September, and by December of the same year, so after only 3.5 months, so around 100 days, I was making 17.6 thousand US dollars per month. And with that spend of $3,000. So you can make the math, the profit was more than 80%. Now, I know you don't believe this and you're about to comment that KDP is dead and I'm just making up random numbers. So I will show you the dashboard with refresh and everything. And I will use the Publisher Champ software so you can also see the actual ad spend and not only the royalties, because I think it's very important to be transparent also in this regard. Now, let's see the dashboard. First, let's get started with a refresh. Okay, so now you see it's real. You see it started in September with some royalties, then October something. In November, we start to see some results, but still less than $1,000 profit. And then by December, those are the results. $17.68 thousand with an ad spend of $3.1 thousand and a net royalties of $14,516. Okay, you can see this. It's in real time. And it was 0 in August. You can see it was actually flat 0. And also my Skool community as a product placement, but it's also to prove that it was actually me recording the video and not I didn't take it from Google or Pinterest or whatever. So now that you know that it is actually possible and your mind is open to learn some new information, I will be showing you the exact process that I've used, step by step without any hidden thing or whatever, so you can replicate it for this year. And yeah, this is my step-by-step process. I feel like I shouldn't share all of this because I'm going to repeat the same process and I'm currently repeating it for these new years. But yeah, here we are. So let's dive in. You should get started in July, September to do keywords research. And the reason is that we are going to leverage the month of December. And what happens in December is that there is Christmas and people want to make gifts. And people receive extra money to spend only during Christmas, and they are also more willing to spend their money. They will give you their money in a way easier way. They will not think too much about what they buy because they need to buy maybe 50 gifts, and they will not stay there to read too much before buying it. So the reason we have to start earlier is because obviously you need to arrive in December prepared with already a collection of books that are already well ranked in the Amazon algorithm and that you already have optimized Amazon advertisement so that people will actually be allowed to find your books, because otherwise it's completely useless. And for those who are new to the field, keyword research is basically finding profitable topics where to publish your book. So the books you should be looking for in this period of the year is profitable books that are suitable to be gifted. And not every single book that is suitable to be gifted, but more original stuff, obviously. So your 222 Sudoku XXL is not good enough. There are 20,000 of them. There is no reason why a person should buy yours. Even though you should probably make a couple sales every now and then for every book, in December probably. It's going to be way easier, but you still don't want to publish this type of book or word search or all these random things. And the thing is, in November, December, so even if a book is very slightly profitable, in selling maybe 1 copy per day, in November and December, the sales will 5 and 10x. So, you have a lot of leverage. There are literally way more keywords that are profitable than you could ever expect. And if you want a more in-depth explanation of how to do keyword research and file profitable topics, and even what is a keyword more on a low level, you will find a free course here, no credit card, no anything required. So you can just watch it because I cannot really explain all the process here. This is not the purpose of this video. Now let's go to the second step. Before the second step, I will show you the types of books to publish. What does it actually mean, books that are suitable to be gifted? And what I'm talking about is activity books. So you probably know what activity book is. Every book that is interactive so that you have to draw on it or paint or, coloring books and do some activities like mazes, this type of stuff. And like a good example is these books, okay? So how to draw 101 good stuff. This is an activity book, okay? I cannot, oh yes, I can. So as you can see, this is gonna basically be a step-by-step 101 tutorials, okay, on how to draw some cute stuff. And then we have cute animal things, Christmas things. So this was made specifically for Christmas. And this should tell you something actually. And then we have space, Thanksgiving and whatnot. The second type of books is going to be easy to digest, informative books like facts, things to know, and we have a very famous brand that you probably already know here. Yes. So facts for curious mind, tricky riddles, 10 things, run. You can make it about everything basically. Don't copy any of these two brands and don't copy anything that is out there. If you copy, do it creatively, okay? Like, you can copy the concept, but make it under a new light and for new people, a new type of people, a more specific or more broad or whatever. Like, be creative. This is the most important thing for December. Don't copy anyone, just stay on your own, okay? Like, I cannot stress this concept enough because like people will buy anything in December. So you need to be prepared to, if you create something new and this actually resonates with people, the Amazon algorithm will push it like on the top of every page. And this is a super powerful thing. So don't, like if you have like 10 good ideas, at least one is likely gonna work. And this one is gonna make, 1 year of publishing if it actually works well. So just stick to new type of stuff and you can take inspiration from this, but do not copy, okay? The third type of book you can publish, and this is a very impressive one actually, is the laugh or wow effect. And I prepared 2 examples for you today. The first one is this one. With this, I will probably be demonetized on YouTube, so I will put my face over the cover. I'm not even monetized, but yeah, I still don't want to get demonetized. So how to live with a small p, a small pp. And this is just probably an empty notebook. Like it's literally, the interior is empty. The only thing that matters here is the idea and the cover, which is like super basic. You can replicate it by yourself in Canva in 15 minutes. So all that we in here is the idea. And as we can see, this book is selling. This is the book beam extension and this is the helium extension. I prefer the helium one for the BSR rank. So here you can see how much the book sold like throughout the years and months. And as we can see, it has been consistently selling 5 to 10 copies per day. And okay, be prepared for this one, guys. If we go to December, okay, this year it was probably unpublished for a while. In 2022, let's see. Yeah, wow. This book was selling hundreds of copies every single day. Like imagine making $2-3 per copy, $2. You'll make $500 per day. This book made more than 10 grand, probably 12, 15 grand only in December 2022. And the same in December 2023. And this is an empty book, guys. Like, let me see if you can see the interior. No, we cannot. There is no read sample. Okay, you cannot see the interior, but it's an empty book inside. I can guarantee you, or I'm almost sure that is okay. 109 line page, so it's like the notebook page is like normal, and it was making 15 grand per month. Okay. Second type of book. Okay, we can show the cover now. It's nothing. Like this book is priced $18, so I mean, if you want to compete in here, you can probably take his market share. And this book is empty. Like this is an actually funny gift for the person that you ask them, what do you want this Christmas? And they tell you nothing. And this gift is like completely perfect for them. And he's still selling a few copies and it's probably making $10 per copy sell. So he's still making like $50 per month or so without ads, without anything, and without putting any effort in the book. Like the cover, you can make it in 3 minutes and the interior in 0 minutes. So it's already done. And in Christmas, he probably sold like at least 50 copies, I'd say. So he made like $500 from nothing, from zero work. Like he worked 1 hour in total, maybe between uploading and everything. And in 1 hour, he already made at least $1,000 from this book in the last couple of years. But like 1,000 per hour is not a bad pay. And he has free reviews, guys. So for all those who say you need 100 reviews to make sales, this should be a good proof. And yeah, guys, those are the three main type of book. There are obviously other ones, but like if you stick to these three, you will pretty much be okay. And then after you found your ideas, so 4 or 5 ideas, you can start working first on the best one, the one you believe that this will be the most profitable. Or even better, if you have the budget, outsource it and focus on doing more and more and more research. And in the meantime, while you create it, you still want to allocate like at least 25% of your time for this business to keep researching new topics. Because once the first book is published, then you will start creating the next one. And you want it to be the best among all the other ideas you have. So you keep renewing your ideas list. And once a book is published, you go to the next best one, then the next best one, then the next best one. And ideally, you will have at least 5 to 10 books ready by December published. And those are the best ones that you ever found, because like in the meantime you will keep renovating your list and putting a new best one at the top of your list of keywords, and then you keep doing that. And everything should be published by the 20th of November, published with the advertisement already launched, and maybe the first couple reviews already there, so you will have no trouble to rank because the peak start in around the 20th of November actually, and then in the 20th of December. So you want to be ready for these dates basically. And that's pretty much it. Like there is no magic secret to it. Like you just have to be creative and like get in the right mindset, okay? Like just keep creating and creating. Don't expect to make money like in September if you create book for December. If you see that the book you publish in September doesn't make any sales, just wait. Like let the ads going, gain your first like 5, 4, 6, 10 reviews, even if you are like on break even, and then you will see the results of your work when December comes. Okay, guys, don't have rush. It's a long-term game. And yeah, then we are to the December routine or November-December routine. All you want to do is optimize ads to decrease the ad spend as much as you can. Should be like an actual goal. And as you've seen in my dashboard, that's what I've actually done. And then you can spend the rest of the day compulsively refreshing your dashboard, like even multiple times per day. And if you're a real one, you will start working on new projects for the following year. But there is nothing bad it's going to happen in any case. So even if I tell you don't do it, you are going to spend 1 solid hour per day refreshing your dashboard and be proud of yourself. So just enjoy the moment and, feel him, because it's not going to last forever. Like you will be back to zero in January. That's not true. Like at least in my experience, at least 25 to 50% of the income will remain in January and the following months. So if you publish actually good books that, after December, they don't get like 1-star reviews or any of this stuff. But what I'm teaching you is to publish actually good books, right? Like actually valuable, that people will buy them and be happy of their purchase, not like regret it. Actually good gifts. So we will get 5-star reviews and make money forever. And the good thing is that every year, the books that sold in the previous December, we start selling again. So like you create a snowball Q4 effect that can make you make a lot of money, like I've done in this business, for example. And the total was like at least 3-4 times more than this. So if you are interested, you can go to watch my other videos and I show you my real dashboards. So guys, if you like this video and you may be interested in learning more, I already told you that there is the free community and course, so I will not tell you that again. Another way you can learn more is by booking a free one-on-one call with me, and I will explain you how my beta one-on-one coaching works. I'm only taking on 2 more people because I already have 3 out of the 5 I was thinking to coach in this initial phase. And guys, I'm literally only allowing super highly motivated people to work with me. I've had plenty of requests, I'm not even kidding. It's not to create scarcity or all this stuff, like it's literally what happened. So only if you are like highly motivated and you really want to make the change now, this year, not like maybe in the future. For the moment, I just publish random books. If you think you're ready for the next big step, book the call, and I'm looking forward to having this call with you. Otherwise, if you are just, gathering information, subscribe to the channel, comment if something isn't clear, or if you have some suggestion or some video that you'd like to see on this channel. And yeah, like this video for the algorithm, follow every platform. And that's all. Cheers, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Go to work now.